First, identify the CFexpress card slot on your Canon Eos R5. It's the top slot when looking at the camera's side with the card door open. Gently insert your CFexpress card into this upper slot, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Close the card door firmly. Now, turn on your camera and press the menu button. Navigate to the first camera icon on the left, which represents the shooting settings. Scroll down within the shooting settings menu until you find the Record Func+Card folder option. Select this. From the submenu that appears, choose Record Func. You'll see several recording function options. Select Standard. This setting ensures that both photo and video files are written to the same card. Now, go back one step in the menu. You should see Record to as an option. Select it. Here, select your CFexpress card, typically labeled Card 1. Confirm your selection. Exit the menu. To verify your settings, switch to video mode and try recording a short clip. You'll now be recording high-quality video directly to your CFexpress card.